Jonathan here with EPRO. Just going to show you guys what comes in our trainer kits. Here's an ANSI manual for your reference. In addition to that, we incorporate our catalog so you can see our full list of courses that we offer. If you need training in the future, we'll be happy to help you with that. After that, we give you our swag bag, which includes some wallet cards, some hard hat stickers, and some other tools and things that you can use. We then give you our tablet, which comes with the charging plug, the charging cord, and you get a thumb drive in the shape of our logo that has all the materials on it that you need in order to be able to print out tests, pre-use inspections, or any other materials that you need to conduct your training class. And then we have the tablet itself. Has all the data and all the information that you need on it to be able to follow along as you're training. It has a digital version of all of our learning guides, depending on the course that you take in our trainer program, and you have that available to you. Now, once you go through our trainer course, you'll want to go ahead and order some learner guides. And those learner guides that we have, I want to show you those. They come in a sealed protective case, and that makes them waterproof. And they come with some swag in there, a pen, some wallet cards, hard hat stickers. And please don't forget that all of our guides come in English and Spanish, and they're all ready to go and shipped to you when you need. Please check out the link below and follow us on social media. Just find the hashtag #RethinkSafety or the hashtag #GoEPRO. And if you need some help or support or training, you can reach us at www.goepro.com. Y'all stay safe out there. Talk to you soon.